can escape me.
I don't know where the hell that skeleton went.
Death will come for you eventually, and I'll finish the job for him.
That skeleton probably wants to go eat trash or something.
Or you lost him in this seamlessly repeatable force. Hurrah!
I have no cure for his life. I just met him.
So why do you bring... And why do
to achieve something.
No reason why they gave me this arm, and why it's sharper. Ooh, a scar on your leg. I want to clean that up. Do you really win this battle? You might as well flee and run for your life. After all, death will come for you eventually. So go on, run while you can.
Run.
No one, not even God, save you.
I have myself. Okay.
Watch out now, you don't need your blade getting knocked out of you, and do ya?
For a swordsman, you
With
talk
all
a
that
lot.
armor you got, I could just grab you when you least expect it. Give me your damn rifle ready.
After image slash.
After slice. An image will flash.
Making my way back as fighting someone. Look at me.
You will love the impeccable
No,
flash
no.
give you. You might want to you might want to check your chest, pal. You might want to check. After all, it's not Kyle. Final flash for. Oh, there you go. You're about to. And you're about to. Good, great. Give me a fight actually worthy to fight. Damn. Run from me yet. Oh, your knee. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit that. You feeling the pain yet?
I feel
Tell
the
me
pain.
worse.
That's what you said to me. I may feel pain, but you'll feel a whole lot more than the pain that I have. Plus, you talk a lot.
Funny you say that. It's real funny how you say that.
You have to wait for that move to activate. You have to wait for it, though. You really might.
Don't you run from me yet. Don't do it. Huh? How about I get rid of that sword for you, pal? What? We'll see how good you are in hand to hand. I get rid of that sword.
There's one thing about me. I don't let go of my sword.
It's a good thing. Gonna really travel into the forest?
Yes.
I don't
That's
know if
exactly what
you
I'm
don't
gonna
know if
do.
I'm ready to ambush you.
Ambushes do not work on
You don't
me.
know if I Oh, yes, they have. I've ambushed you twice before, and I'll do it again.
Ambush, but you failed. You didn't succeed.
You put us the way.
It's gonna be a long walk. That ninja clan is gonna die for what they've done.